Molweni, namhlanje sana indaba, hayi, azipheli. Singalibali kaloku into yoba njengoba i-political task team uShadrack Sbiya efuna ivalwe, ufuna into yokuba bazokwazi ukwenza unothanda nezi criminals eze-drugs naba bantu ababulala abantu nayo yonke into nje yenzeka yapha eSouth Africa. So ungalibali kaloku into yoba i-political task team ile eye yavumbulula abantu ababulele uSandiso Magaqo. Ibidala nje lonto leyo kungaziwa into yoba ngobani. Ungalibali into yoba i-political task team yiyo le evundulule into yoba i-security yaseFort nayo i-involved kwezi matters ezikhona eFort. And then nase-Gauteng ba-find out into yoba njengoba task team nje le efonywe ngu-General Mkhwanazi noDumisani Khumalo plus uMasemola iyasebenza, but uShadrack Sbiya uyabaphazamisa. Ufuna ama-dockets abuyiswe, ufuna ntoni. Alipheli ke igama lakhe liyavela into yoba njengoba efuna kwenziwe zonke ezi zinto nje ufumana imali. Abantu asebenzisana nabo baseJoburg nguKat Matlala, Katiso Malefe, uyasoleka nakumamela umamela lo ekuthiwa ngumtshana kaRamaphosa uyabaleka nakhona. So oyena mntu ababonayo into yoba uyilink kuzo zonke ezi zinto nguye uShadrack Sbiya owenza amatyala angaqhubeleki phambili. And ke ngoku uBabita Deokaran njengoba ube CEO phayana elantukeni eThembisa Hospital, Chief Accounting Officer yase Thembisa Hospital, nguye obonile into yoba hey man, ngeke imali iyatyiwa apha, kukhona itender esendleleni nje ephumayo and if iphuma fraudulently wazama ukuyimisa. So yiyo ke lento leyo edala into yoba bamdubule ke umama ehambisa umntana esikoleni. So lento ithatha into yoba ke njengoba beswelekile baye bakwazi ukuyifumana yonke la mali bebeyifuna. Uyaqonda epha kweza tenders. Imali leyo ke imali yoba ilungise izinto ezinidwa zizigulane. Imali leyo abatheke xa ngabe sekuphanda i-SIU, lo mali leyo bathenga ezo Lamborghini, bathenga zonke izinto nje ongazibala. Ungayithenga njani imoto ye-94 million nje? So uShadrack Sbiya ke ngoyena mntu abamfunayo ke namhlanje ke, without wasting time, bahambile baya emzini wakhe. And then uthi ke uShadrack Sbiya bathathe i-gadgets zakhe, I think 4 cell phones, and bathatha ne-laptop. And uthi uyayazi into yoba bafuna a-resign, akazoresigna emsebenzini. Yena into abamlandelela yona xa ibuzwa uthi kufunwa iposition yakhe. Ayikho enye into efunwayo, yi-position yakhe. And ke ngoku njengoba sebethatha ezi gadgets zakhe, ke ngoku njengoba abantu bonke bebe-prepared into yoba bakwazi ukuya eParlamente, yena uzokwazi ke ngoku uzilungiselela njani njengoba i-gadgets ezi bezithathile. Akazukwazi yena ukuzilungiselela. So ufuna ukubuza ke ngoku into yoba kuzothwani, because Monday kufanele ayovela kwi-ad hoc meeting eParliament, kwi-ad hoc committee eParliament aphendule. So abantu bonke were given a fair chance, and yena akanikwanga chance. What is going to happen kuye ke ngoku? But uyabona ke into yoba yiplot yonke lena, i-colleagues zakhe zimthrowa under the bridge, meaning that Mkhwanazi and Masemola, saying that le team yase KZN yiyo le esuke pha yazomphazamisa apha eGoli. So sizova ke sibona into yoba kwenzeka ntoni. Hayibo Mkhwanazi uyitshilo ke lento uMkhwanazi wathi kweza dockets ezi-121 nekanamhla, niyamkhumbula namhla waseMthatha owabulawayo, allegedly kuthiwa ubulawe yi-boyfriend yakhe eyayi-abusive. So nalo docket yakhe ke uthi ifamily yakhe yayibuza lonto leyo, washo into yoba no, le docket yakhe iseMthatha. I mean ise-Joburg kwezi dockets ezithathiweyo nguShadrack Sbiya. Sesifuna ukwazi ke ngoku noba ezi dockets xa bezombuza ubezithatha ezisa eGoli ngoba ebethunywe ngubani. Yho, kusazoshuba bethunana.
We were under the impression that you were being arrested today, yet you're standing right in front of us. What's the story?
Well, me too, I was under the impression that it's going to happen. I'm expecting it anytime. I mean, the General Mkhwanazi said yesterday that it's imminent. There's been imminent since last year, so I'm still waiting.
So why were the police here, General?
They came to conduct a search and seizure. I was expecting.
And what did they confiscate, General?
They will normally look for the gadgets and the cell phones of everybody who's in the yard.
General, we understand that this started since 3 a.m. in the morning. Are you aware about the cars that were coming in looking
No, I've been under surveillance. Remember, we are under siege here. It's helicopters, it's surveillance, left, right, and center. This is abuse of power. Yesterday, there was a blanket street there, and then as you come out, you'll see there's a car this side and there's a car this side. So, I mean, this is what I have to live with at this present moment.
We thought your elderly mom was here inside the house together with your children. They were traumatized with the heavily armed members of the task team in the NIU, General.
In task force, it is the case, and I wish my colleagues could be at least thinking for my kids, my family. They haven't done anything wrong for them to be traumatized like this. I know they want to push me out. I will never resign. They must fire me.
General, expected to appear before the ad hoc committee on Monday. Has your papers or documentation been interfered with? Now, crucial substance info you are presenting.
No, the guys were decent. The guys were decent. They are cooperative. They are still respecting me, and everything happens under normal circumstances. So, especially when you cooperate with them, so they are not really all out to fight you.
What was
General
confiscated?
Sbiya, could you just give us some details about what was confiscated here this morning from the point that the task force and the NIU arrived?
What they are after is just the gadgets. I gave them what they needed.
What did you give them?
Is the laptop. There's nothing in the laptop. There's cell phones.
How many cell phones, General?
3 or 4. It's the phones that are here.
Including your personal phones.
Yes.
Where were you at the time when the police found Sbiya, General?
I was not around. I was called to come and I came.
Was this, Ian Levitt, was this raid, the search and seizure operation, legal?
It will be determined by judge in a court in due course. I've got my reservations, but I don't want to preempt anything. But I just want to first of all say thank you to the journalists being here. I can see quite clearly that you're not intimidated by what's to be a call by a very famous person now today for journalists to be counter-surveilled in this country. And just remember, when it starts with one person, everybody was wetting their lips that corruption was going to come to an end very speedily. Now journalists are being attacked. We know where this goes from. We've seen it in history. It's the journalists, then it's the lawyers, then it's the judiciary. And really, this isn't the end. This is really the beginning. And I really do think when 6 cars full of heavily armed, masked gunmen with fully automatic rifles come into a house with children and old ladies, and they may think that there was some sort of army maybe behind this gate, and so they may just say that was the impression, but quite correctly asked, this has been going on for some time. They saw then that that wasn't the case, even if they really believed it, and then they really didn't need to be here to see this going on. It was we've seen an unrelenting start of show of force in August. You're seeing it again. I don't know. I've got my suspicions what the purpose of the show of force is, but we'll wait and see how the whole thing goes.
General, expected to appear for the ad hoc on Monday. What are some of the key submissions you'll be making?
That is for Monday. Can we reserve that for Monday? All I can say is that this search for today, it is meant to disrupt me. I'm not listening what the National Commissioner is saying throughout the day. I'm not there to take notes. I'm not concentrating. I've been served with a notice to appear before a disciplinary hearing. I'm also preparing documentation for Madlanga. As you can see, the whole exercise is just meant to confuse me and to keep me under pressure. I'm under siege, yes, and my life is in danger and that of my family. There are cars coming up and down here with false registration numbers. And now the media is here and my place is being exposed. But the bottom line is that I just want to say, now the gadget has been taken as well, and then when I am preparing myself to participate like all others who participated before me, now in my case, I'm under pressure, I'm under siege, I'm called the criminal daylight in front of all South Africans. I've been called stupid. I'm waiting also myself to have my day at the commission, at Madlanga Commission. Ultimately, I will be charged. I expect to be pushed out. Is what is this whole thing all about. Remember, I've been through the eye of a needle. I've been through this before.
Were members of the PKTT also here today? You know them, General?
There were KZN registration.
All of them are from KZN, of course. And that is unfortunate. That this is how one province decides to behave the way it behaves. And the whole country is allowing this thing to happen, to carry on the way it's carrying on.
You're clearly angry, General Sbiya.
I'm not angry, I'm hurt. I feel like Joseph, whose brothers actually threw him in the pit. And they ended up selling him because I've been working with my colleagues and we've been working very well. But for my colleagues to turn on me the way they turned on me, that's beyond me.
So you're saying Masimola betrayed you?
Are you saying who betrayed you? Because already...
My colleagues betrayed me.
Who betrayed you?
Including him. The last time I was with the National Commissioner, we were fine. The last time I saw him, we were okay.
Has he been to your compound before?
Many times.
Ian, are you going to challenge the search and seizure warrant in a court of law?
We've been at this for about an hour and a half now.
Decent way. But for now, called all these sort of names. I don't, even when I go there to Madlanga or to wherever, I don't intend to take the same route where I have to go out there and say things about people. I'll defend my name.
Did they search your bedroom and go through your personal belongings, General, and that of your family?
Come again?
Did they search your bedroom, go through your personal belongings, and your children, and your mother?
Yes. My kids were, of course, secured in a room. They are young. But everything, it was done in a decent way.
General, just the disciplinary process that's ongoing. I know you're meeting with your legal team today. Is that something you still intend to challenge, given what we're seeing? Crime intelligence head, as though he's been treated with kid gloves. Is this something you intend on challenging, the way you've been handling the disciplinary process?
I don't intend at this point in time to keep on challenging anything. I want to face it straight. I'll face the bullet.
General Makunazi says you had contact with criminal kingpins. Your response, sir?
My job is to investigate criminals. It is my space. I don't work at. I'm not a priest. I don't deal with Christians. I'm not a school principal. I work I'm a policeman.
Well,
I'm a policeman and I've investigated organized crime for many years. I'm almost 87 years in the field of what I'm doing. So,
General, why do you think you are a target? Why do you think your colleagues are targeting you specifically?
Look, at this present moment, there's time for that. I will talk at the right time, at the right forum.
General Sbiya, from where you stand, so many allegations have been made. You will appear before this ad hoc committee. You say you don't plan to go the same route that your colleagues have gone. But from where you stand here, are you saying you plan to tell South Africans you never participated in any illegal activity, whether it comes to participating in the disbandment of the political task team, having certain links with criminals in the underworld? Will you tell that ad hoc committee that every single one of these individuals who've made these allegations against you, even going as far as calling you a criminal, are lying?
Look, wait for me to go and testify.
Tell us something.
Some things to wait until I testify.
General Makonati says he blocked you on WhatsApp because you were calling him. You wanted him to meet the minister to brief him on the AKA murder. Your response, General?
I will respond to that also there. But it's not true. But I will respond.
Anything else to add, Ian?
The legal